What's going on, guys? Today we are probably doing the most exciting install in the world. We are, if you guys watched my video like 2 videos ago, you saw that my fender liner completely ripped out. So went to Subaru twice, went to a different Subaru, got a better deal, got a new fender liner. I also did have an explanation of why I am putting it back in, just because of the reassurance it's having shit not fly into my engine bay, and I'd rather keep my engine as clean as possible because that's how I am with that. We are using Dr. Rock hardware because Subaru hardware is actually very expensive, and I'm not entirely sure why. They were charging like $3 a clip, and I got this whole thing for $10, and there's like a bunch of clips in there. So we're gonna be using that stuff today, and apparently it's higher quality than OEM. So yeah, we're just gonna be putting in the fender liner. So first thing we're gonna do is rip off the tire, because that's the most important thing to do right now. Just a reminder, always clean your wheels. My hands are filthy right now. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just kind of like putting it in there a little bit just to see where everything lines up and seeing where all the holes actually are. Looking at it, I'm actually finding a lot of the pins are still in there and they just ripped out of the old one. So I'm gonna remove those pins. And luckily, I got a new one of these pin removal tools, and it's a lot smaller, so I should be able to get in these tighter spaces. So I'm gonna find all these pins and just remove them real quick so I can put the new ones in. Something I just noticed, I'm gonna try to show you. There's a lot of plastic bits actually in this wheel well, like right here. And I was removing the little tabs, and I realized like that one, only one is for the fender liner and the other one is not. So just a little thing. There's a lot of plastic actually in here too. And I apologize for how many times I said mocked up in my front lip video. I didn't realize how many times I actually said that word. So I'm not sure if there's like a proper way to do this. I tucked everything underneath the front bumper to make these all line up, and then you just gotta shimmy everything around to make the rest of it line up. So I'm gonna start by installing the tabs on the upper portion of the fender wall, because I think that's gonna hold it in the best place to get the rest of the things in. So the one thing I'm finding is this fender liner is actually held in by a bunch of different types of clips that Subaru has. And the thing is, it doesn't, you don't know which ones you're using. I'm just kind of winging it. But so far I found like the best ones up top of the really small holes is using quarter turn tabs that this Dr. Rock or Ock or whatever the hell it was called kit came with. So I'm gonna use quarter turns on the top, and hopefully that works. First tab is in now, so now I'm just gonna quickly do the rest of the top ones. It was a bit of a fight trying to line everything up, but I think the rest of this should be easy now that the first one is in. It's crazy how much this newer hardware is actually like doing. Like I put these in, and these are like so much more secure feeling than actual OEM ones. It's starting to rain now, which really sucks because I didn't want to be doing this out in the rain, but here we are, we're gonna start doing this out in the rain. All right, we're filming from inside the wheel well now because I don't want to get my camera wet. So there's one bolt that I didn't know was in there, and I completely yeeted it off and it went missing. So I'm hoping that that one is not a big deal for the fender liner, but it might be. So we're hoping I don't really need it that much. But yeah, it's starting to rain now. I'm starting to get wet, and this kind of sucks now, but we got to get this done because this is my only day off I have for a little while. And yeah. So I'm actually not even using these quarter turn tabs anymore, because I found out that the kit comes with these ones, and these ones work a lot better than the quarter turn tabs, and they're a lot easier to get out when need be. Quarter turn tabs are just a bitch and a half, and these ones are really nice and really easy. I'm pretty sure I'm just about done. I have to secure the bottom, and I think that's all of them for the fender liner. So it was a lot easier than I was actually expecting. So if you guys do want to replace your fender liner, the quarter turn tabs work best in the bigger holes because these ones don't hold the best. The smaller holes, these ones are really good and secure. So I guess I can link down in the description of these rivet nut pin pop things. They're really awesome so far. So far I like them. I'm not having any issues. But yeah, I'm just gonna secure the rest of this on real fast. Sorry, I'm doing a horrible job filming this. So to get most of the fender liner back on, I actually do have to take the bumper off. It's just for like the bottom part because the air might push it back a little bit, but I don't think it's gonna be too bad. I hope that's not the reason it came off before, but it's starting to rain harder now, and I'm not trying to get more wet because I don't want to be working on my car in the rain because it's not a fun experience. So I'm gonna stop here today. I have most of it secured except for that little part. I don't think that part should be that big of a deal, but I guess we'll find out. So I'm gonna put my tire back on now. I'm probably not gonna film it just because it is raining. I don't want to get my camera wet. So the fender liner is pretty much all the way in and secured, just for the one part where I have to take my bumper off. So I just wanted to like sit down and talk to you guys for a second. I know most of you guys are just gonna click off this part or not watch this part in the video. I know this video is mad short, but it happens. It was raining. I don't have an enclosed space to work on my car, and I really don't want to have to get a new camera because this one got wet. So pretty much for this install, as soon as you line it up, the holes all line up pretty well. well, and just all about just putting the push tabs in there. I went with an aftermarket branded push tab system, if you want to call it that. So they fit a little bit different than OEM, but I found ones that worked, so I put them all in there. This video is definitely gonna come out after March ends, but we hit our 300 subscriber mark and a little bit over. Right now, last time I checked, we were at 312, and it's March 29th. Now, I'm recording this video a little bit ahead of like when I actually release it. You guys might have noticed that because I was on top, it's like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or whatever, and it doesn't come out till Saturday or Wednesday, and it's kind of weird. I upload every Wednesday and Saturday at 11 a.m. and I record when I have days off, which isn't very often, but when I do, that's when I do my recording, so I'm usually very busy. Yeah, but we made past 300, guys, and I'm super stoked about that. I've gained a lot of friends to this part of my journey already. I'm moving at the end of May, so we have a couple more, like a month and a half more of content at this house until we move. Now, the thing that sucks is, again, we're moving to a place without enclosed space, and we just have a parking lot. I'm not sure if I can even work my car there, but we'll make it happen. I'll find an empty parking lot if I have to do installs and shit. We have some, hopefully we got some of my friends that are also YouTubers that I've met through doing YouTube and Instagram. Hopefully they'll be in some of my videos, and I'll be in some of theirs when I'm in Florida. And I think that'd be a very cool thing. If you guys could support me, you know, check out my merch, check out my Patreon. Every dollar helps. I don't like to ask for donations, but every dollar helps to get more content for you guys. I would like to upgrade my camera relatively soon, but at the same time, I want to get more parts soon. So, you know, there's a bit of a struggle in funds with that sort of stuff. Do I want better content quality, or do I want parts? If you guys comment, if you guys actually watch this far, on what you guys want to see, if it's content quality. Do you guys want to see more part installs? Do you guys want to see more vlogging style? What do you guys want to see in my channel? I will try to cater to what you guys want, because I want you guys to actually follow through and watch all my videos and subscribe and watch every week. That's pretty much all I have to say right now. This also shows that not every part is modification, and I hope that if I ever do silly maintenance things like this again, you guys actually enjoy watching it, because it's stuff that you might have to do yourself in the future. All right, so I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So thanks for watching, guys. Comment, like, subscribe, do all that fun shit. Keep doing you guys. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.